Good evening. In our next series continued with combinational circuit, now we are going to discuss about demultiplexer. So in the previous session we discussed about multiplexer. Multiplexer means many into one. Demultiplexer means one into many. In multiplexer we have many inputs and one single output. Here in demultiplexer we have only one input but we receive number of outputs, that is the main difference between our multiplexer and demultiplexer. So the reverse operation of the multiplexer is said to be as demultiplexer. As I said, single input and several outputs. Our input is F, that is a single input. Here also we have a selection lines like A, B, it is represented here, and multiple outputs like A, B, C, D are our outputs. Okay. So demultiplexer types, what are all the demultiplexer types? Like as we have seen in multiplexers, many types we have discussed in multiplexer. Here in demultiplexer also we have types like single source, selector, then multiple destination. There we have multiple inputs, then we have selector in between, and we receive only one output. Here we have single source and we have selector in between, but we have multiple destinations like television. From the television we have like a system. From the system we have laser printer, fax, scanner, then etc. Okay, this is an example of our demultiplexer. So in multiplexer we had discussed 4 cross 1, 8 cross 1 and 16 cross 1. Here the reverse function of multiplexer is demultiplexer. Like instead of 4 cross 1, here we have 1 cross 4. Instead of 8 cross 1 we have 1 cross 8. 6 cross 1 we have 1 cross 16. 16 cross 1 we have 1 cross 16 here. So first let us discuss about 1 cross 4 demultiplexer. So here 1 input and 4 output and 2 selection lines like S0 and S1. Okay. So this is the truth table. Truth table is nothing but it represents the operation of the demultiplexer. So we have selection lines like S0, S1 for two variables 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and outputs you can see it is diagonally selected from right end. So y0, y1, y2, y3 means first y0 we are getting output, then y1 and y2 and y3. So we receive a diagonal output, right? And this is the circuit diagram of logic circuit diagram of multiplexer. By using selection lines, single input, and we are getting different outputs like y0, y1, y2, y3. Okay. Same like 1 cross 4, here we have 1 cross 8 demultiplexer. So in 1 cross 8 demultiplexer, first we have 1 cross 2, one single 1 cross 2, then dual 1 cross 4 demultiplexer to get the outputs of 1 cross 8. So in this block diagram you can see one single 1 cross 8 and single 1 cross 8, then two dual 1 cross 4, right? Dual 1 cross 4, so that you have 3 selection lines and we get 8 outputs like y0 to y7. So we get 8 outputs. Same way like this is the truth table where we get diagonal outputs. In same way like 1 cross 8 and 1 cross 4 we can work out with 1 cross 16. This is the applications. These are few applications of demultiplexer. Like in the same aspect as I said, 1 cross 4 and 1 cross 8 we can do 1 cross 16. So 1 cross 16 is nothing but here we will have dual 1 cross 8. Dual 1 cross 8 demultiplexer, so that we can get 16 outputs, one single input, and we have 4 selection lines. And we have 16 outputs. Same, the output will be received in the diagonal diagonal aspect. Okay, so these are all about demultiplexer, and as well as we discussed about multiplexer in the previous. Thank you all.